Hi! In front of me is Nokia G50 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access calendar by clicking on it. Now tap on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choose event. Finally, you can customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting and ending hour, add people, location, and even set up notifications. Over here, change color, take notes, and also by, for example, clicking on add location, type wherever you wish to and select one of the addresses. I will go with that one. When you're ready, click on save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. You can always delete it though by tapping on it and clicking on those three dots at the top right corner. From here, select delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!